guys, hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So in this lesson guys, what I'll be doing a general solution, which is not that difficult guys, if you can understand the summary that I will give you. So all of this thing guys, it is just the summary of a general solution. If you can understand this format, everything guys will just be easy. So the angle guys will just get it from the question, that the angle, it will be this thing from the question. Position and the reference angle. Position and the reference angle, you get it them from your Cartesian plan. This thing, it's a position and the reference angle. That's a position there on the first quadrant, and at the same time it's your reference angle. This one there, it's a position and the reference angle here on the second quadrant there. Here it's a position on the third quadrant and the reference angle, the position on the fourth quadrant and the reference angle there. So for this part, then when it comes to the period K, so for the period guys, you should understand that cos and sine will be using a 360 K, but for tan they will be using 180 K there when it comes to a period. Do you see? Yeah. So talking with the reference angle. A reference angle guys, you will get it by saying that sine arc, then here you should put the answer, which will be the value there. That answer, which will be the value of the function there. Or if there you are given cos there, you will just say it's cos arc. Then you put the answer, which is the value of that function. Then if it's tan, you'll just say tan arc. Then you'll put the answer, which will be the value for for that function there. And all the time guys, that value there, you should substitute here being positive all the time. Even if it's negative, but here you should put it being positive. So let me just go straight forward to this question there. How will you ever approach such question like this then, if they need you to find a general solution? So for you to find a general solution, you just do this thing. I just need you to understand all of this part. This thing there, it's a function, by the way. It's a function. This one there, it's an angle of that function there. This is the angle of the function, and this one there is just the answer of, this is the answer, which is the value of this function there. Do you see? So if the function is representing the answer, what do? You just find your reference angle by saying that the reference angle will just be will just be sine arc. Then now you just put the answer there, which is the value of of the function. You just put that answer here. And now all of this thing there, you can press there on your calculator so that you will get your reference angle there. So pressing this thing down my calculator, I'll just say shift sine 0, this close. So this is what I get there, which is 38 0, that degrees. Do you see? And now guys, after finding a reference angle, now what I should do, I should find my general solution. My general solution guys, I will go to this thing of saying all students take coffee. If you can take a look there, that answer guys, it's positive, and that answer there, it represents the function. If the answer guys, it's positive, it says that the function is also positive, and the function there will be positive in these two quadrants, on the first quadrant and on the second quadrant. And now what I can do now, I will find my general solution on the first quadrant, even as well as on a second quadrant there. And now that's why again now guys, I will use this format now. Let me show you how to use this format. This format guys, you just say here, it is the angle which is equal to the position and reference angle, say plus the period there, period K there. Do you see this thing? Period K, which is again now our angle there. The angle there, the symbol for angle is this one, But again, now if you can take a look at the position and the reference angle on the first quad, it is this thing, the position and the reference angle, meaning this one is just a symbol and say plus the period there. Here we are dealing with sine, guys. It means that if we are dealing with sine, it must be 360. So here we'll just say 360k there. And now I can just substitute here. Our angle, guys, we get it from the question, which is that one. That is the angle. But now our reference angle is the one that we just got it there, which is 38,02 plus 360k there. Just like this there. And now what I should do, I should make that k, I should make x there to represent the equation by taking this thing to that other side. Meaning that I should make x to be alone there. X will be alone, but now this thing now will become as positive. So all of this one now, I'll come and put it here like this there. 360k. Do you see? And now if you can see, guys, this it's a number to a number. I can press this thing there on my calculator, but this one I can't press with that one there because this one it got k there, meaning that k there I can't press this thing. This one they don't have k. These are just a number to a number. So let's press, guys, a number to a number, meaning that's 16 plus 38,02, which is a number to a number should give me a number, which is that number. It is what? It is 54,02. And now I can just put this one here like this, and here it's x there. Do you see? And now you can just say k is the element of all integers. So this one, guys, this k is the element of all integers. I will explain it more when I will be doing a absolute solution. Absolute solution. There is something that we call absolute solution, whereby you have to solve the value of the angle there. So let's go now to the second quadr. For the second quadr, guys, we know that this thing there, it must be the angle, which is equal to the what? The position and reference angle there. Reference angle, say plus period there. Period k should go with k there. Do you see? So now what I will do, the symbol for the angle is this one, but now if I'm looking for the position and the reference angle on the second quadr, it is that information there. Do you see? Position and the what and the reference angle on the second quadr, meaning that thing there is just 180 minus by this there, and say plus 360k there. You say 360 because it's sine. And now our angle, guys, you get it from the question, which is that thing, it's x minus 16, and say 180 minus by the reference angle, which is the one that you just got it there. That thing there, it's 38,02 plus 360k there. So now what I should do, guys, I should make that x there to represent the equation. But first of all, let's start by simplifying this one first. Then after simplify this one, we can take this thing to that other side. So meaning that I can simplify this one like this. Let me press this thing down my calculator, like minus by this, 0, this. So this is what I get there, which is, let's drop this one because we didn't affect them. In maths, if something you don't affect, you drop the way it is. In algebra, by the way, because this thing there, it's the same as algebra. Then you can take this thing now to that other side, try to make that x to be alone. So x now will start being alone there. And now this one now will go to that other side, become as positive. And all of this one that I didn't affect, I write the way it is. Just like this then. Do you see? So straightforward, all of this thing there, I can simplify there from my calculator, make it to be simple by using my calculator there. Those two things there, it's a number to a number. You don't press that k. K, guys, it's not a part of this one there. It's not the part of this one. So this one I can just do like this and say, this is what I get there, which is there. That's 157,98 and say plus 3 60k, and say k is the element of all integers. All the time, guys, put that thing, do you see, which is this thing that's a general solution there. So that's how, guys, you get what a general solution. I think I can just do something like this there so that you can fully see the steps there, do you see? So you can just do a screenshot, guys, and try to do that thing and try to analyze it, yeah. So thank you, guys, for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.